Here. Yeah, show everybody what you can do. Come on. I want to videotape her one day. Just hide the camera. Hey! Oh, you got the bird. You got it. Get the bird. Cheese, cheese. Was it good? Tasty? Yummy? She smiled for the camera. Chichiole. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hey, there's my foot. Don't you bite me. Hey, you want to bite me again? No, she already got spanked. Look at that tail. Is Rose under the door? She's guarding the door. Hey, the bird. Get the bird. Bring the bird over here. Come on, Chi. Chi-chi-ole. Come here. This is Chi-chi. She is a cheetah. Yes. And her daddy was Bruno. And her aunt Rose is torturing her and eating her food. So she's very protective of birds. I got the bird. And we got the bird. This is a good picture. Oh my goodness, look at that, the bird. The bird, ooh. Sitting in the same spot like her dad. I think she's prettier than Bruno. Don't you? Not girl-wise. I got this on camera. Chi, come on. Hey, over here. This way. Good spin. 2 minutes is good enough for me.